So I had to 3D print again Derek, it's for Trackmaster Revolution at the moment. Previously was 3D printed in this shade, and I did something a little different on this model. It was 3D printed in two halves, but look at the finish level on this model. The half were super glued right here, very strong joint. There will be no problem, and we need to do a little sanding on this joint all around the model. Added another screw housing for the new couplers, so we don't have to be worried about breaking the model, I mean the couplers, and we can easily replace it for a new one. So look at this finished level. It's not perfect, I mean it's very good compared to other models I used to 3D print. The problem with the model I used to 3D print before is I 3D printed in an angle like so, but the problem is it gives me sometimes this noodle, and then it does not print properly. Also check the lines here, check the lines compared to this model. Look how smooth finish is. This is really horrible. This is one of the reasons I stopped 3D printed direct. Didn't like it, the finish, but I had to 3D print this way and this orientation in 45 degree, so we could get the whole model 3D printed with less aberrations. And at the end, I achieved the smooth finish all the way around. The only thing we gotta do is just sand a little bit here, paint it, and we have a very perfect, I mean beautiful model derrick. I'm gonna try to do this for diesel tank chassis also, but I'm still struggle with, I don't like to make this cab lower, short cab. It will look really bad, but I'm thinking of maybe add an adapter for the lever, so we can still have this form and just adapt the lever to, it's actually kind of a housing extension, so we just attach it to the lever, and then we can operate the model, but it should be a housing for this lever on Tomy diesel 10. But as you can see here, so this was 3D printed in this orientation, two halves like so, two halves like so. I'm gonna put this closer so you see a big difference on this finish with the, look at this, no good, no bueno. Let me put it the other way right here. So there is the big difference. Two halves super glued and good to go. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions, and about this. Look at this, this was ironing, smooth finish. Once we sand these joints and paint it, will be also very good.